the housing repairs product is enabling council to get their resident to report repairs in a very easy way and self-service way. So they can do that online, describe their issue, book an appointment for a repair without ever having to get in touch with the customer service in the council.
It means that the resident can log their repair any time of day. It gives them that flexibility. There's also an element of informing the resident around what their responsibilities are compared to the council. So when it goes through the flow, if there's particular repairs that are the responsibility of the resident versus the council, it also flags these and provides more information about what to do.
We know from our research that customer service teams at some local authorities are fielding hundreds of calls and emails a day from residents reporting repairs. And our product's core aim is to shift as many of those requests as we can online, so that you can free up local authority staff to focus on many of the other important things that they're responsible for.
But it's also going to increase resident satisfaction because they'll have a greater chance to get their issues resolved in a shorter time.
We can get you onboarded quickly. Our support is provided by the people who built the product, so we understand it inside and out. And as finally is sort of the future vision for the product. We're a user-centered product team with a roadmap that we want to collaborate on with our customers so that we can continue delivering improvements.
Right now, we have a strong focus on the housing space, but we expect to rapidly expand this, developing truly modern software as a service solutions for local government.